Hey, what's happening guys, Rohit here. So in this video I'm going to unbox the brand new Xiaomi Redmi 5, which is a successor to the well-known Redmi 4. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. The device seems pretty good. As soon as I touched it, I felt like this is the slimmest Redmi phone ever. And it's so light as well. Also, the Redmi 5 has the same metal build as the Redmi 4. And also because of that 18-inch display, the Redmi 5 seems more attractive than the Redmi 4. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi 5 has a 5.7-inch 18-inch display powered with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, 1MP rear camera with 1.2mm pixel density, 5MP front shooter with a single LED flash, and a 3300 mAh battery. Coming to the bottom, we have a USB charging port and speaker grills. To the left, we have SIM tray. To the back, we have the camera, a single LED flash, and a fingerprint reader. To the right, we have the volume rockers and the power button. On the top, we have the air blaster, noise cancellation mic, and a 3.5mm jack. Finally, on the front, we have the camera, LED flash, earpiece, and some basic sensors. And talking about the overall design, I think it is quite similar to the latest Redmi Note 5. So the Redmi 5 comes in three variants. The 2GB 16GB variant will cost you 7,999. The 3GB 32GB variant will cost you 8,999. And the 4GB 64GB variant will cost you 10,999. I'm also going to do a camera review and a gaming review for the Redmi 5, which will be out soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. This is Rohit Verma signing off. Peace.